So, who'll go home with the points here today?
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with.
They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation.
And the away team have gone with this formation.
Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. The defenders back on the ball. Using the width here.
What a well-timed tackle. Good interception.
Passed out wide then. Moving down the flanks here. Oh, well-timed. Well cut out.
Oh, he did really well there.
And he stayed onside.
What an opportunity.
Keeper plays it short there.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. It's a freezing cold day and the players have to keep themselves warm on the touchline.
Throw taken along.
Lovely passing here.
And here's a chance. Shoots, and it's in.
Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues.
A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.
So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Played in field. Striker's ball. Well timed and good defending. It's with the defender now. Oh, determined challenge there. They're appealing, but he's onside. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Good defending there. Striker's ball. Can he finish it?
What a well-timed tackle.
It's with the striker. And here's a chance. And pulls the trigger.
He's put a shot well wide of the post.
Let's take another look at that effort on goal. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Moving down the flanks here. Striker's ball.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Passed well. The referee checks his watch and he blows for half-time. They're winning. They'll have to get more goals in this second half. He's unstoppable with the ball. Oh, determined challenge there.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
It's with the striker. Well timed and good defending. And that's a throw-in. Well, the players are warming up on the touchline. Is it time for a change? Long throw there. It's with the striker. He must score. It's Lacazette. Oh, what a finish. Into the bottom corner. Decisive. Oh, we need to see that goal again. It's 2-0 now.
Oh, he did really well there.
Striker's ball.
This player is taking on the opposition.
Throw in here. This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll gets the shot in. That's good work by the defence, just offside. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. Oh, there's an opening here. Oh, well timed. It's with the striker. The defender could be in trouble here. The shot's on. Oh, this guy, it's opened up here. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Played wide. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. It's with the striker.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
It's with the defender now.
What a well-timed tackle.
Now, that was close. Not much in it there at all. Oh, that one looked tight. Let's see the replay.
Oh, well intercepted.
Good ball.
Comfortable 2-0 victory here. The manager will be pleased with results like this.